Tableau conditional formatting. I'm going to give you 3 quick solutions here. In a new worksheet, go to the top right, select Show Me, and hover over Highlight Table. You'll see the easy version just needs a dimension and a measure. So let's go use category for dimension. Down here, double click profit. That's the measure. Back over to the right side, click highlight table. This is a highlight table. One thing I want to do is put order date on columns. I'm going to right click, hold, drag, and drop that onto columns and select year. And now we have exactly what we see here. Now let's get more advanced. Let's show different measures all next to each other. Quantity, sales, profit, in a way that's going to be really easy to change in the future. I'm going to take year off of column, double click, type 1, press enter. Double click again, type 1, press enter. Give me one more. Double click, type 1, press enter. Good job. And right click on these axes, go to edit axes. Change these from automatic to custom. Change the end from 2 to 1. We're going to do that 2 more times. Double clicking, changing to custom, changing to 1. One more. I know it's like an exercise video. Double clicking, changing to custom, changing the end from 2 to 1. It looks crazy. Thanks for trusting me. Let's go from square to bar for all of our marks. And let's change this view that we find our control in the top middle to fit height. Now we can see all those values. Max the size of those bars so there's no gaps. You've got a beautiful highlight table coming along. Let's shrink the width here by using the divider between those headers. Get it to something you like, and then right click and uncheck show header. Now we have 3 marks cards, and that's going to be for 3 different measures. The first one is quantity, so I'm putting that onto both color and label. The second one is sales, so I'm doing the same thing for that second card. And this is independent control. The label, the color, everything you see here on the marks, you can change. Let's start with something small like alignment. Okay, and let's look at color. Just some of these conditional colors are going to make more sense than others, right? Quantity, you don't need this diverging. Tableau picked this one, and it works pretty well. But you can make whatever changes you need. Please do explore some of the advanced color controls there. And last thing I want to show you is some folks just throw measure names on the columns, measure values onto color and label, and they fill out that measure values card. If you do this, hey, it's quick, it's fast. But what it does do is it makes any one change affect everything. Okay. Now let's pretty this up with our header. This is our advanced version. You already know how to put 1 into columns 3 times and change your axes accordingly. But I do want to show you how to make that header say whatever you want. You just double click into each of those marks cards, type in this case quantity, and put that onto text. Format that nicely in your dashboard, and you've got a beautiful version here. Takes some work. Easy version here. And something more middle of the road as well. Enjoy.